What is up, everybody? It's Sam, aka Ithaca Hats, again with another video, and today got my first unboxing video for you guys. Picked this up probably about a week ago from Fanatics, because as you guys know, they own lids now, so both the sites are kind of the same, but they do periodically give decent deals, like 30% off site-wide. So I picked this up. A lot of you guys will know kind of which one this is once you see it, so just get right into it. Really excited for this hat, I have to say. And here it is. From my minor league video of teams that I wanted. The Cedar Rapids Colonels. I'm not 100% sure what league they're in, but I know they're an affiliate of the Twins. But yeah, this hat's really awesome. Like I said, I just thought it was really cool. And one of the big draws of it is like the K that it makes, because for Colonels, which is really cool. But yeah, I'm really happy to get this hat in. I mean, you know me, I'm a huge minor league baseball fan, especially for the funnier logos. So definitely a good one to get in, and I'll definitely be posting it on my Instagram tonight. Again, I'll link that in the description as I always do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything coming in the mail soon, I don't think, but I'll definitely make some content next week of some sort, you know, regarding some sort of hat, whatever it might be. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and definitely have a great rest of your day.